Hi, this is Ed Stevens with Life Recovery Solutions. And the reason I'm sending you this video today is we've created a software platform called Life Connect that puts the control of recovery right in the hands of your clients. And what this means for you is you have access to information that you've never seen before, because we found that they talk to our virtual assistant more than they talk to their counselor because there's no judgment. Now, what that means for you is when they come in to see you on Friday and you say, "How was your Tuesday?" there's no guesswork. You can look at the report and see what their mood was, what triggered them, how they were feeling that day. This makes your treatment much more effective and more successful for the client. So let's schedule a meeting so we can show you more and tell you more about what we're doing and how it can actually reduce the recidivism rate for an industry that is otherwise struggling for success. Thanks, and have a great day.